A lot of questions people ask influencers are nosy. I'm a disability-focused content creator, so I get a lot of personal questions about my disability. When I first started doing social media, I used to answer literally every question I would get asked, but now I am much more selective about which questions I answer. I firmly believe that asking questions is the best way to learn, but I've started drawing a figurative boundary between questions that I can answer about my disability and disability in general that genuinely educate people versus questions that merely satisfy a stranger's curiosity. So the way I determine which questions are valuable for me to answer is if the knowledge that individual will gain from me answering that question can be applied more broadly. If the knowledge gained from me answering that question can't be applied more broadly, then there really isn't much educational value in that question and answer exchange. For example, a lot of people ask me if it hurts when I try to lift my arms up higher than this since I can't. And the thing is, this question is so specific to me and my disability that there is not much educational value behind that question. Sure, I can answer that question and tell people that it doesn't hurt if I try to lift my arms up higher than this. But what educational value does that offer to that person beyond them just knowing some random fact about me and my disability? That knowledge they gained from me answering that question cannot be applied to anything else because my disability is so unique and specific to me. When asking a content creator a question, I recommend asking yourself why you want to know the answer to that question. If the knowledge you gain from that question being answered can be applied to a broader topic, then it is a worthwhile question. If not, it may just be a curious question, which is totally fine, but you may want to be prepared for that individual to maybe not want to answer that question.